Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and today I'm going to show you the fastest way to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so here we are within the Cash App. This is the app that I use to buy Bitcoin every single day. It's got a little bit of everything. It's got like a wallet, it's got a card, you can do peer-to-peer transactions, and you can buy and sell Bitcoin. So starting off on the wallet section, basically all you need to do, sign up, create a Cash App account. That probably takes like a minute. And then you need to add a debit card or a bank account. That probably takes another minute. And then from there, you're good to go, really. And this screen is kind of like your Cash App wallet. So you can just transfer money back and forth between your bank account and your Cash App wallet. And to do that, all you need to do is use these buttons, add cash or cash out. So if I wanted to add $5, I'll just type in $5, click add, and I'm good to go. It takes like 5 seconds. So once you have money here in your Cash App wallet, you just need to go to the Bitcoin section. And then here we go. This is going to be real time. I'm not going to do any cuts or anything so you guys can see how fast it is. You need to tap buy, move this slider to whatever amount you want, or you can just type in the amount. I'm just going to do $1. Tap buy, scan my fingerprint, hit confirm. And just like that, I purchased Bitcoin. So I now own $321.88 worth of Bitcoin. I've been buying Bitcoin every single day, $1 worth, for 260 days in a row. And this is a strategy that I'm using called dollar cost averaging, just buying a little bit every single day, an experiment to see what will happen over an extended period of time. As you can see, I now have 1501 available in here. Before I had 1601, but I purchased $1 worth of Bitcoin. And there you have it, the fastest, easiest way in the world to buy and store your Bitcoin. You can also sell your Bitcoin doing the same thing here. You just tap the sell button, drag the slider, and tap sell again. I'm not gonna sell any, but it's really the same thing, same amount of time. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I will try and answer those. Like and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Cash App playlist with tons of Cash App videos and tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last, so go hard.